Good morning, my dear students. I hope that you all are good. Through the last videos, we were revising the portions that you already studied in the first standard. So today, let's begin our first chapter of our EVS. Our body is a wonderful machine. We can do many things with our body with the help of various body parts. You already studied about various parts in our body. These parts are present outside our body. We can see them. While there are some body parts which are present inside our body. So today, let's study more about our body. Here is a picture of Ramu. Do you like him? Yes. Then say hello to him. He is saying hello to you. Hello. Okay. Then our body is divided into three main parts. They are head, trunk and limbs. Okay. So our body is divided into how many parts? Three parts. What are they? Head, trunk and limbs. All of you touch your head. Okay, good. Where is it located? At the uppermost part of the body. So, our head is present at the top or at the uppermost part. And then, is there any organ inside our head? Yes. Which organ? Brain. Okay. Brain lies inside our head. It is one of the most important organs in our body. It helps us to think and remember, and also it controls all our body activities. So, brain is located inside the head. Then, trunk. Our head connects to the trunk with the help of neck. So, where is your neck? Here. So, our neck joins head to the trunk region. And the trunk region is made up of two parts. They are chest and abdomen. Chest and abdomen. So, the trunk region consists of two parts, chest and abdomen. Where is your chest? Here. And then touch here. Can you feel something? What do you feel? Some beating is there. Then, which is beating? Any organ is present inside your chest? Yes. Which organ it is? Heart. Very good. Our heart is located in the chest region. And our heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. And then in the chest region, there are two lungs also. Okay. Lungs are very important, which helps us to breathe. Okay. So, in the chest region, we can see heart and lungs. Then comes abdomen. So, below the chest, there is abdominal region, abdomen. It has many organs. For example, stomach, intestines, liver and kidneys. The food we eat goes to the stomach. And then it goes to intestines. Liver and kidneys are also very important organs in our body, and they have different functions. Then, let's talk about limbs. Our arms and legs together are called limbs. So, our arms and legs are together called limbs. Okay. And then our arms help us to write, hold things, eat. Then our legs help us to walk, run, jump, etc. So these are the various parts of our body. We can divide our body into three main parts: head, trunk and limbs. So inside our head there is one organ known as brain. The brain helps us to think and remember. Then trunk region, it consists of two parts, chest and abdomen. Chest region has two organs, heart and lungs. How many lungs do you have? Two lungs and one heart. Then limbs. Arms and legs are together called limbs. Have you all got it? Yes. So remember all these things. Study well. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.